Kwa ihinda bururi wa Kenya ni ukoretwo gitacokia makinya matiganite megie urigiti wa murimu wa kansa itanyari kuhurukia a Kenya thabari ndaya iria matumaga kumatha urigiti mabururi-ini mangi. Na thutha wa thirikari kugura macini ya mwanya ya urigiti wa kansa ya Cyberknife, riu murwaru wa mbere ni arigititwo kuhitukira macini ino thibitari-ini munene wa Kenyatta University. Benjamin Muthama wa ukuru wa miaka 28 uria ni engineer wa mitambo akoretwo na WUIMBO gatagati ka RITHO na MANIURU akiuga akoretwo etereirio urigiti uyu kuma mwaka wa 2021.
1st of July 2021 I was diagnosed with a tumor, vesicular shawarma tumor. Yeah, it wasn't an easy thing, given that they complicated the nature of the tumor and where it was located. So since then, we have been seeking medical assistance, just trying to get the best assistance we could get.
Na thutha wa urigiti uyu uria woire ihinda ria ndagika 30, Benjamin arauga ni aukirwo ni ruo atoire naguo. Urigiti uyu uri wa mwanya kuona titoria mundu athinjagwo na mundu agabatarwo gukoma wodi ahonie kironda, indi mundu arigitagwo na akainuka hau kuona macini ino iria iri na guoko kwa robot irigitaga tu haria mundu ari na thina hatari kuhutia ciiga ingi na gucitigana thina.
Also, I'd like to congratulate the team here at KU, the Ruth, Tracy, Peter, Koske, for ensuring that and assuring me that the process is going to be okay.
Na kuona uyu niguo urigiti wa mbere gutafanio guku bururi-ini na niguo wa keri gitaru-ini kia Africa thutha wa bururi wa Egypt. Muikariri giti wa bodi ya thibitari uyu Olive Mogenda augite riri ni itacukia inene kuona macini ino iri irigitaga andu 10 o muthenya, akiuga gukinyeria riu andu 100 nio metereire kurigitwo.
Thogora wa treatment ino ni 300 nginya 350 na mbeca ciothe ni irarihwo ni NHIF. Ona murwaru uyu twatuka umuthi arihirwo ni NHIF. Personally ndakena mo tondu idea no ni ndokire nayo na ngira munene wa bururi na agitikira igurwo.
Dr. Tracy Irura akiuga mwaka wa mbere macini ino igukorwo ikirigita andu matanyihiire 300. Murugamiriri wa urigiti wa Cyberknife Ruth Wambui uria ukoretwo urigitani-ini uyu kwa ihinda iraya bururi-ini wa London akiuga ari na gikeno gucoka muci na guteithiriria arwaru aingi urigitani-ini uyu. Akiuga ari na gikeno gucoka muci na guteithiriria arwaru aingi urigitani-ini uyu guku nake mutaramu wa macini no eligible akiuga ni megukorwo magithomithia arigitani angi ciigi kurigita na macini ino.
The patient, the tumor it's actually a benign tumor, it's not cancerous at all, but it was very close to the cochlea. This is the hearing apparatus and the brainstem.
Cyberknife, although the name you get a Cyberknife, atiguthinja ithinjaga uria twikaga ni ati ewakaga deliver treatment toria kahiuka gatinagia.
We're making sure that we give the best possible training support to be able to work with the system that has the best to offer of what technology has to offer.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wagoi wa Muirore.